12:50 confirmed as the winning time for Ukraine and Christoph Sweden. Olympic gold medalist, now the world champion once again. Negative wind of 0.3 meters per second. Dimitrova, the silver, Michelle Freeman, the bronze.
Après avoir remporté le titre olympique l'an passé, le petit linguiste remporte.
Ettimi.
Video board shows the replay. 12:93 confirmed as Johnson's winning time was given lane 4. $13:05 for Colin Jackson, fastest European.
Jackson prendra la médaille d'argent, la 0,5, Igor Kovac, médaille de bronze, 13-18.
Sprint hurdling comprises two elements: sprinting between the hurdles and hurdle clearance. In the sprinting element, the hurdler focuses on repeated three-stride accelerations. In the hurdle clearance element, the hurdler tries to minimize the time in the air and prepares for the next running stride. The sprint hurdles start with an 8-stride approach to the first hurdle. The aim is to maximize acceleration. The lengths of the 3 strides between the hurdles are short, long, short. The hurdler runs on the balls of the feet and keeps the body position high. Hurdle clearance comprises takeoff, clearance, and landing. The takeoff is well in front of the hurdle. The body is in a high position for the attack. For the clearance, the lower part of the lead leg is extended forward. The foot of the lead leg is flexed. The shoulders remain parallel to the hurdle. The trail leg is drawn alongside the body. The thigh of the trail leg is roughly parallel to the ground at clearance, and the knee is kept high as it pulls through. Landing is on the ball of the foot. The body leans forward. The trail leg pulls forwards quickly, and contact with the ground is brief. The first stride is aggressive.
Ettimi.
Rhythmic runs. The sprint hurdles are introduced with rhythmic runs over spaces marked on the ground. The spaces should be about 1.5 meters in width and 6 to 7 meters apart. The athlete should run as in sprinting, on the balls of the feet, and should not jump over the spaces. A 3-stride rhythm should be used. Rhythmic runs over obstacles. Place small obstacles in the spaces. The obstacles should be cleared using the rhythm of the sprint hurdles. Gradually increase the height of the obstacles. The hurdler should focus on the rhythm. Runs alongside the hurdle. Runs alongside the hurdle introduce the lead and trail leg clearances. Use hurdles of moderate height. Adjust the distance between hurdles to allow a 3-stride rhythm. Both the lead leg and trail leg sides should be used. Trail leg drills. The trail leg action is improved through specific drills. The focus should be on raising the leg to the side, a high knee, and a flexed foot. Leg raises to the side, high knee, flexed foot. Use a hurdle to improve trail leg action. The shoulders should remain parallel to the hurdle. Lead and trail leg runs. Place obstacles 7 to 8 meters apart to practice the lead and trail leg action together. Use different heights for the lead and trail legs. Replace the obstacles with low hurdles. The higher hurdles should be cleared with both lead and trail legs. Whole sequence. Link the whole sequence of sprint hurdles. The hurdler should use an 8-stride approach, first from a standing start, and then from a crouch start. Adjust the hurdle height and the distance between hurdles to allow for a 3-stride rhythm.